it's me Maddie and welcome back to this week's video. So this is going to be a different style video, as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail. But I did ask a poll on Instagram and this is what you guys requested me to do, so I decided to do this. So yeah, I'm just gonna be like cleaning my room, decorating, things like that. So we are just going to do that. I do share a room, so it is a little bit more, not messier, but like a lot more to keep up with, just because it's both me and my brother, or both my brother and I, and we're constantly on the go all the time. So yeah, and I'm trying to get like a good lighting for you guys, because I know I've gotten comments about that. I am getting a better vlog camera soon, hopefully, so hopefully it picks up quality better. I'm gonna find a way to make the quality better on this, hopefully, with the brightness. But yeah, so I'm just gonna set you guys down. I'm gonna listen to music while I play, or while I clean, I should say. And yeah, we'll just go from there.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all. You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense. But I don't fucking care at all. Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there. Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, cause I'm so fucking scared. I'm only a fool for you. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all. You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense. But I don't fucking care at all. Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there. Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, cause I'm so fucking scared. I'm only a fool for you. And maybe you're too good for me. I'm only a fool for you. But I don't fucking care at all.
Bye.